So, it's a cold March day here in New England, and this is what gardeners are doing right now around my neighborhood. So, I'm serious about compost. It is such a great way to use up our kitchen scraps, lots of coffee and coffee filters, to improve our gardens in the next year. And you see this beautiful big, kind of black, I'll get a little space for it, it's pretty big, pile of rich black, what gardeners call gardener's gold, that I have made. It's a 2-year compost that has been sitting around. I've turned it, this might be the 4th time I've turned it. It was over here, which is now kind of a hole. And here's my kind of 1-year compost. You can see it's pretty active. I've been putting stuff in this pile all winter long, and it's definitely cooking, but you know, has been sitting around through the winter, so there's a lot of undigested food on it. So what I do in the early spring is I move this pile over here, and I move this pile over here, and this is the 1-year pile, and that will cook. I won't add anything new to this pile. It'll just sit there and digest for a year. Okay. And what I'll be mixing in, and what I haven't mixed in too much to my 1-year pile yet, but I'm going to, if you see along the back, I have a nice massive pile of leaves and what we call brown matter. And I have a friend who brings me like a dump truck full in the fall, and I push it all towards the back. Takes muscle grease, so it's a really good workout to do my compost pile. But like so many things in gardening, if I just leave it and don't mess with it, nothing happens to it. So, you know, I get to it when I can. And what I'll do is I'll move the 1 year, and I'll mix in lots of leaves through the year. I'll bring clippings from the garden as I clean off my garden and put it, we're kind of building a little berm at the back here, Christmas trees and, you know, kind of bigger things that'll take longer to digest, but those get swept in eventually. So this is a little corner of my world here, and this is where I compost. You know, I live in a rural area, so I have space to compost, but this is how I do it. Because I'm kind of a nerd, I love it. I love to watch the compost develop. That is like the most gorgeous, rich dirt you could imagine. So I'll sprinkle that throughout my gardens and, you know, kind of participate in the big cycle.